Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore an essential topic in the world of programming, understanding the syntax kinds that belong to SyntaxToken and SyntaxNode. If you're a developer or interested in learning more about coding, this video is perfect for you. In modern programming languages, syntax is crucial for writing clean, readable, and maintainable code. SyntaxToken and SyntaxNode are fundamental concepts that help us understand how our code is structured and interpreted by the compiler. In this video, we'll delve into the different types of syntax kinds that belong to these two categories, helping you better grasp how they work together. So what exactly are SyntaxToken and SyntaxNode to start with? A syntax token represents a single element in our code, such as a keyword, identifier, or symbol. Think of it like a single word in a sentence. On the other hand, a syntax node is a collection of these tokens that form a more complex structure, like an expression or statement. Now, let's dive into the different syntax kinds that belong to these two categories. Starting with syntax token, we have several types, including keyword. These are special words reserved by the programming language itself, such as if or while. Identifier. This type of token represents a name given to a variable function or class. 1. Literals represent constant values like numbers or strings. Symbols include operators, punctuation, and other special characters. Moving on to syntax node, we have several types as well, including expression. An expression is a collection of tokens that evaluate to a value, such as an arithmetic operation. Statements are nodes that represent a single line of code that performs an action, like assigning a value to a variable. Declarations introduce new names into the scope, like function or class definition. To help illustrate these concepts, let's consider an example. Suppose we have the following line of code: int x5. In this case, int is a keyword token, x is an identifier token, and op is a symbol token. The entire expression, x55, forms a syntax node, specifically an assignment statement. To recap, we've covered the different syntax kinds that belong to syntax token and syntax node. Remember, syntax tokens represent individual elements in our code, including keywords, identifiers, literals, and symbols. Syntax nodes are collections of tokens that form more complex structures, such as expressions, statements, and declarations. That's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of the different syntax kinds that belong to syntax token and syntax node. If you have any questions or need further clarification on these concepts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more programming content. Before we go, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today. Can you think of other examples where understanding syntax kinds can help you write better code? Share your thoughts with us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.